Hello everyone, we are back again. The third Sudoku is a Sudoku with 4 stars. So we have 3 Sudokus to go, a 4 stars, a tectonic, and a binary Sudoku. And in today's newspaper of May the 12th, Tuesday, this is we have three Sudokus to go, because the first Sudoku was a 1 star, the second one was a 2 stars, so this is a 3 stars. Not 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes. Otherwise, if it takes too long, I dislike it, because I like Sudokus shorter than 30 minutes. So I hope I will manage that. So let's begin. Let's get started with this Sudoku. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And now in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be this one. 2 in this column, 2 in the first column, so the column between. Only place for the 2 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here. The other 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. That means these 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 3, and 1 and 8. The 1, the 8, and the 3. 1, 8, 3. 1, 3, because we have an 8 here. 1, 8, 3. I marked them a little bit easier. So the other 3 numbers are the numbers 4, 9, and the 7. The 9, 4, and 7. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 9, 4, and 7. How about this, yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. I marked them. 1 and a 5. Here we have 5 and the 3 are missing. 5 and the 3. Yes, 3. Let me think. Yes, the 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. Those 3 numbers, I believe the 9, 7 and the 4. We have a 9 here, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The 4 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 9 and 3, I marked them because I think in this Sudoku are a lot of pairs. The other 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only 1 place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only 1 place left for the 4 should be there. All the 4s are used. I see yes, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, here or there. But I see here also a 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here or there in the middle column. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here. How about 6, 7, 5? Let me think. 5, 5, 5. Here's supposed to be at a 7. How about the 6? The 6 should be here. We have a 6 here. And 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. How about the number 3, 5, 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 8. These 2 numbers are the numbers 5 and 3. I see here also 5 and 3, so those are pairs. How about need a 7. In this big square, 3 missing numbers because those 2 are 5 and a 3. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the 5 and no, we have a 5 here. The 9 and the 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. We have a 9 now, so this cannot be a 9. This should be the 9. And this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this row. The 2, no, the 5 and the 7 are left. I marked them. Cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers? The 3 and the 1. Also, I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 1. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 5. And we have a 5 and a 3 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. 2 numbers left now. The 1 and the sorry. Here we have 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, so this should be a 1. And this should be the 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5. This should be a 7. And this should be a 5. 2 numbers left. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. In this big square, oh yes, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And then 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. these two numbers in this column for the numbers 3 and 1, 3 and 1, we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3, this should be the 3, and this should be the 1. One number left in this big square for the number 1. This box, I have marked this with 1, 8, and 3. We have a 1 and a 3 here. So this should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. One number left in this row, the first row, for the number 3. One number left in the second row for the number 2. And the final number of this big square for the number 5. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright. For a Sudoku 4 stars, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, I see you in a minute with the following Sudoku, a binary Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye. Thank you again.